In this episode, we're looking at stem and leaf plot. So in this lesson, we're going to collect data using direct observation and experiments, interviews or questions, identify patterns and trends in data, and make inferences from these patterns and trends, and represent the data using stem and leaf plot. And this stem and leaf is just a part of the overall topic of statistics. Engage. Conduct a survey in your class to find out how many days students left their homes during the Christmas break from school, and you can record the times. And you could use another time period. You could use the Easter break, how many people went to church on Easter Sunday, or any other holiday that is in keeping with when you're listening to this. Organize your data in order from most to fewest number of days. Take note of the least number of days and the most number of days. Write the data in tens and ones. For example, if a student went out for 8 days, this would be 0 tens and 8 ones, written as 08. If the student went out for 21 days, this would be written as 2 tens and 1 ones. Your data should then look like this. For example, 05, 08, 12, 15, 15, 18, and 20. And if you notice, they start here from fewest to largest, all right, or from most to least, and this is in ascending order. Okay, it says further organize your information in 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, and so on, that your data will look like this first group. So we have 2, 3, 7, 7, 9, and the second group now would have 11, 12, 15, 16, 18, 18, and the third group 22, 23, 26, 28, 29. Okay, so we're arranging them now, and if we look between 0 and 9, between 10 and 19, between 20 and 29, so the next group that would come would be what? 30 to 39, then what? 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 100. All right. So let's explore. Let's use this information to create a stem and leaf plot. A stem and leaf plot is a special table where each data value is split in a stem, that is the first digit or digits, and a leaf, usually the last digit, like in this example. Now here's the example. 32 is split into 3 tens, and the 3 will become the stem and the 2 will become the leaf. Okay, so let's look at this. Stem 1, leaf 5, that means 15. Stem 1, leaf 6, that means 16. Stem 2, leaf 1, that would mean 21. All right, so we have the first digit here, and then the last digit is here, and this first digit in this case represents the tens, and the last digit there represents the ones. Okay, and that's me reading this from left to right. Okay, the stem values are listed down, and the leaf values go right or left from the stem values. The stem is used to group the scores, and each leaf shows the individual scores within each group. As we were saying, first we had the 0 to 9 group, and then we had the 10 to 19, then the 20 to 29. So that's the grouping there. So using the data in our engagement activity, we can create a stem and leaf plot. So here we would go now, stem and leaf plot of students' days out. So here we have 0 2, 3, 7, 7, 9. So these are all scores that are below 10. Now, this set we would have 10. Okay, so 10 and 1. So the first score is 11, then 12, then 15, 16, 18, and 18. So we have two sets of 18 in this particular group. Then the 20s group now. So this is the below 10 or the ones group. This is the 10s group. This is the 20s group. So our first score is 20 and 2, 22. Then 20 and 3, 23. Okay, so this is 26, 28, and 29. How many members are in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many members are in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 scores in this group and 5 scores in this group. Stem and leaf plots are a method for showing the frequency with which certain classes of values occur. You can make a frequency distribution table or a histogram for the values, or you can use a stem and leaf plot. The information on a stem and leaf plot can be interpreted in the same way that you can get information from other charts and graphs. Examine the stem and leaf plot below and look for the information that follows. The lowest math score was 50. So if the lowest math score is 50, that means this is 5 and 0, 50, but there's also 58. There's 64 and 68. There's 70, 74, 76. There's 82, 82, 82, 86, 86, and 86. Then we have 5 90s, 92, and 94. All right, so let's go with this now. The highest math score was 94. Of course, it here 90 and 4. That's the highest math score. 3 students scored 82. So here we have 1, 2, 3 students having 82. We see that. The modal score is 90 because that was the score for the highest number of students. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students who got a score of 90. And we can see the 5 here. So 90 appeared 5 times. 5 students had a score of 90. The table shows math scores for 20 students. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So 20 students are represented by the stem and leaf here. We can use the information on the stem and leaf plot to construct a bar chart. All right, let's go back. So here we have between 50 and 59, 2 students. Between 60 and 69, between 70 and 79, 80 and 89, and 90 to 100. Extend. Watch videos on YouTube about how to make a stem and leaf plot. Evaluate. A. You collected the following data about the number of students in the 4-H environmental club at primary schools in your parish. 8, 10, 16, 9, 21, 14, 28, 33, 19, 40, 31, 37, 16, 42, 22. 1. Put the information on a stem and leaf plot. 2. Look for the information from the table. A. How many schools had fewer than 20 members? B. How many schools had members of 40 or more students? C. What is the highest membership? So let's go ahead and look at this particular question here. The question has the 4-H environmental clubs in a particular parish and the number of members, and we're supposed to put that into a stem and leaf plot. So this would be the data that we were given, and we want to put it in ascending order. Now it can be ascending or descending. Ascending means that we are increasing in size or importance, sloping or leaning upwards. So ascending simply means that we're moving from the least to most from small to large. So let's go now. The smallest number is 8. Then we see, so we have 8. Let's go 9. So we see 9. Then 10. Is there 11? No. 12. 13. I see 14. Okay, so 14. 16. 17, 18. Well, I see 16 as 16, so let's go with 16 again. Okay. 16, 17, 18. I see 19, 19, 20, 21, 21, 22 here. So 22. Any more? 22, 23. Let's go with 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Let's go with 28, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So we have 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So we'll go with 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 will go here. Let's fix this one up. So let's go with 40. And then we have 42 as the last one. 42. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I should have all of them accounted for. So let's now get this into the stem and leaf. Let's make some space. So stem here and the leaf here. Okay, let's see if we can get a nice straight line, as straight as that is. So numbers below 10 are 8 and 9. Okay, so we have 0 here, and we have 8, and we have 9. Then numbers from 10 to 19, so we have this representing the set of 10. Then we have 10, 10, 4, 6, 6, and 9. So 10, 4, 6, 6, 9. Okay, let's go with numbers between 20 and 29. So this is the two sets of 10. So we have 21, 22, 28. Numbers for 30 would be 33 and 37, and numbers for 40 would be 40 and 42. Let's see if we have 14 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So far, so good. So let's fix this so we can clearly see each representation. So here, these, for the first band of numbers or first class of numbers, that would be for the 8 and the 9. The second band of numbers would be from 10 to 19. The third band would be from 20 to 29. The next band is for the 30s, and this band would be for the 40s. Okay, so that's clear. So they say here, put the information in the stem and leaf plot. We did that. Look for the following information in the table. How many schools had fewer than 20 members? So let's move this out of the way. Fewer than 20 members. So this is where 20 is. So everything below this would be fewer than 20. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A, how many schools had fewer than 20 members? And then this would be 7 schools. So 7. All right, let's change color and let's go with a nice blue. So 7 schools had fewer than 20 members. B, how many schools had membership of 40 or more students? Okay, 40 or more students. Let's go 40 or more. So for 40 or more, we're looking here. So this is right. So this is greater than 40, and this would be less than 20. Okay, so this is less than 20. So it now asks us to say how many had a membership of more than 40. Now we have one school that is equal to 40, 4 and the 0 here, but only this one is more than 40. Okay, so what is greater than 40? Not greater than or equal to 40. If it was greater than or equal to 40, then we would have 2. But if it is greater than 40, we only have 1. So here we say how many schools had members of more than 40. Only one school had more than 40 members in their 4-H club. And our last question says, what is the highest membership? The club with the highest membership has 42 clubites. B, study the stem and leaf plot below and answer the questions that follow. Ages of persons who visited a hospital for medical care on Monday. And here we have the stem and leaf plot here. And there is a key. So we have 6 and 3 here. It says 63 years old. All right, so let's go with this now. Question: what was the age of the oldest person who visited the hospital? 2, how many 10-year-olds visited the hospital? 3, how many persons were between 20 and 40 years old? 4, how many persons visited the hospital on that day? 5, what is the most popular age for the persons who visited the hospital? So in this episode, we looked at the stem and leaf plot, and stem and leaf plots are a way of showing frequency with which certain classes of values occur. All right, take care, do the activities and submit them to your teachers. I'll see you in the next episode.